114 years ago, the Masterton electorate voted to ban the production and sale of alcoholic beverages. In 1918, the government had agreed to hold a special nationwide prohibition referendum to be held in April 1919, with a threshold of 50% voters needed. Prohibition was missed by a whisker, with 49% of the vote. Victory for the temperance community had seemed lost until the votes of 40,000 troops still overseas or on ships were counted. In December 1919, they had reached the 50% that they needed. Prohibition led to social changes that would help to define the decades to come, and ushered in an era of speakeasies, bootleggers, and organised crime.
Sorry, Frank. There's nothing I can do.
Look, please. I really don't have any other options here, John.
You still owe £400 from the last loan.
£50. £50 is all I need. Please, my juice is broken. I'll have the money back in no time.
I could lose my job over this, Frank. If you haven't noticed, things haven't been that great around here.
I really don't know what else to tell you. Without my juicer, I can't do anything. I'm begging you.
I'm really sorry, but my decision is fine. Even when your juicer was working, you weren't paying the loan back.
How am I supposed to make money if I can't make juice?
I'm sorry, Frank. My decision's final. I'm sorry.
Give me a minute, I need to go to the bathroom.
Have a good day, Frank.
Chapter 1. Dead men don't drink.
Short on money?
That's none of your damn business. Now bugger off, you damn lummox.
Hey, we're both men of business, are we not?
Just make your case and then leave me alone.
What's your name?
It's Frank.
So how much money do you need, Frankie?
£50.
I'll talk to the boss and have your money in cash right here at 9 p.m. tomorrow. Sound like a deal?
I'm thinking tonight of Dixie. That's where we first met, my dear. I recall the scene as yet. You were my sweetheart of the long ago. You're still my sweetheart and I love you so. My Dixie sweetheart, girl of the long ago, I bless the day we met. My Dixie sweetheart, sweetheart. Oh, how I love you so. I never will forget. You've been all that I hoped you'd be. Through many, many years of toils and tears, you've been so true to me. My Dixie sweetheart, girl with the hazel eyes, a million charms within your arms, and the love that binds and ties. You've been all that I hoped you'd be. Through many, many years of toils and tears, you've been so true to me. My Dixie sweetheart, girl with the hazel eyes, a million charms within your arms.
Hey, Dad.
And the love that binds
Did you get it?
and ties.
No. Fuck. What are we gonna do now? I don't know, Ralphy. I don't know. I guess I'll go and make dinner. Thanks, Dad.
You think I'm gonna pull through? I don't know, Tony. Juice is busted. And those bootleggers seem to be doing pretty well right now. Man, think about the lives they're ruining though, man. Alcohol can change, man. Not always for the better. They're just trying to get by.
Any sounds? Not today. Yeah, usual. Tony, wet cell strikes again. Huh. Morning. Morning. Where's the juice? Don't have any juice.
What do you mean you don't have any juice? This is a juice store, is it not?
Supplies have run short. We've hit the paramount. We can't sell you any juice.
What do you mean? Whoa.
We can't sell you any juice, man.
Who owns this place? I'm the owner, and if you don't stop causing such a ruckus, I'm gonna have to kick you out. Well, where's the juice? I just want to buy some juice. We don't have any juice. So you're telling me I can't buy any juice?
You can't buy any juice. There's no more juice.
I just want to buy some juice.
Get the fuck out.
Fine.
Don't come back.
Was working, you weren't paying the rent. Things haven't been great around here.
No. I'm begging you.
I'm really sorry, but my decision is fine.
I'm gonna be home late from work today.
Oh, what's that?
Taxes.
Oh, yeah.
Look, fellas, I think I've had a change of mind.
What do you mean, a change of mind?
Look, I have to pull out of the deal. It's just not the right thing to get involved with.
You can't just do that.
My decision is final.
Chapter 2: The Broken Decade.
Ralphy. Dad's dead. They found him with his face smashed in by a rock.
Hang her weary head and cry.
We're gonna have to turn all the juice into alcohol and sell it in order to survive.
Hang her weary head and cry.
He left us this in his will. Fuck! Tony.
which we are entering may be a long one.
New Zealand is ready.
Spare me a pen.
Shut it, Leroy. These people aren't interested.
Hey, my buddy Eric said that there's a kind of speakeasy thing around here. Do you have any idea about that?
Okay, so obviously we gotta find two new guys to make alcohol for us. Oh, well, hello there. Name's Al.
I'm Tony. This is my brother Ralphy.
What brings you two here?
Our future. Have some.
Then knock your socks off.
I don't drink. You don't drink? That's a shame.
But I do know who's someone. Gigi! Here, try this. Now, you see, I have been looking for someone to make alcohol for me. Unfortunately, my two partners, they've ran into some misfortunes.
Well, that's awfully convenient. If it's alcohol you're after, then we're your guys.
You know, how about I offer you guys a job?
What jobs?
The job that they will make alcohol beverages for us. They got a good place out in Britain to make refreshments. The liquor. What about it? The liquor should only cost about 50 to 75 pence for every 3.7 litres. And we will sell them for 1 litre for £6. For every bottle we sell, you two get to keep 5 pence.
5?
7, 8. We will need 25.5 litres of cider per person in Wairarapa. $650 litres.
And you can't even raise our pay a little bit?
By the next 3 weeks. And don't make wood alcohol.
Well, it's high time we head off, did you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Gentlemen, it was a pleasure working with you two. I hope great things come from you.
Can't be seen with you looking like that. Go to Amber & Co. Tell them that I sent you.
Go on.
So, Sal, what cut are we gonna send those Gazebo brothers?
Zondergas. It's Dutch. It's Dutch for
0. I've been learning new languages recently.
Sounds like we're gonna save a bit of money there.
I can smell some fresh stogies.
Hey, Sal.
Hey, Sal, how's it going, man?
Good. Impressive.
Thank you, I got it from Mr. Hallenstein's.
Nice, very nice.
Very nice office you have there, Sam.
Thank you. Look, guys, the time has come. We gotta think big. We gotta expand the whole operation. Distribution. I'm thinking Hamilton, South Auckland, Wellington, Lower Hutt.
Look, I like your idea of expanding, but do you really think that right now is the right time? I mean...
I know it sounds crazy, but we gotta think big. I've been talking with the planners. They say 10,000 litres.
10,000 litres?
What?
Are you insane? I mean, we could barely get 300 from the first...
Snap, crackle, and pop! Can a man not have a dream? We'll be meeting up with the MP tomorrow, and you two are gonna come with me.
Should guess.
Look, it's just a business meeting.
If something goes wrong.
There must be some confusion in the peanut gallery. We talked to them.
You can't talk, we're just your average Charlie hustlers.
Just rattle on about your passion for alcohol making.
Sal, we don't have loose lips like you.
The sun must have burnt your brains.
I just don't want to end up like that constable.
I'm glad that I'm never as nervous as you two.
Hello, Mr. Briggs. So, I'm presuming that you have what we came for?
Unfortunately, I don't. It's in a storage unit not too far from here.
What?
Well, you see, I have some news. The Prohibition, it's ending in just 3 weeks.
I don't believe a word of this.
Well, you better believe it, because it's true.
Do you think your wife looks good in black?
Calm down, man. All you have to do is just wait it out.
Great Caesar's ghost. What's the matter with you two?
Chapter 3. Tail end of the Prohibition.
Let's just say he was an impressive man. Such a shame his policies weren't as impressive.
Those are Dad's cufflinks. Does that mean they killed him? This can't be.
Like it? It's something called mother of pearl. Gold. It's a T-bone cufflink. I got it from the two goons.
We have to get our revenge.
Tony, Ralphy!
Sal.
I got some news for you. We'll be having a gathering. A few mates of mine. Make sure to bring alcohol. And bring a dinner suit. We don't want to look like unmade bits, do we?
How much alcohol do you want us to make?
There will be about 12 of us. So listen!
Tonight's gonna go well?
Trust me, tonight's gonna be completely okay. Remember, alcohol's legal. We can loosen up a bit. But we do gotta think about our future. We can't compete with the big companies out there. There's a new company out there called DBX up north. I don't know how we can compete with them.
I don't know, Sal. Do you think it's a good idea to have the two security guards drinking?
Eyes.
It's going quite good. Oh, yeah, you're excited for your big speech? I guess you could say that. You'll do just fine, man. Yeah, I will. Let's see what's going on with these hooligans. Fake!
Got a lot of balls pulling this show off, my friend.
What do you mean by that?
Let's just say, not everyone is as hopeful.
I just go pick with my feet. I'll be right back.
Okay. No, that's real fucked up.
One song.
Yeah, Sugar by the Archies. I really like them.
Gentlemen, today we have gathered in this great hall to talk about our future. You see, politicians, they talk over ridiculous things, just like us now. I believe that we have created a modern world
that has been taken away from what it could have been. But our disagreements pale in comparison to our vast common interests. A community of genius, of principle, of grace. There were days not long ago when you had Marty and Englishmen and Frenchmen couldn't live together. They fought each other for the value of a penny. There were days before that when you had battles between Ngapu and Ngati Whātua. Before that, Hapu fought Hapu. Things happened there that made us shake our heads and to say to each other, how could that happen? Look how we had behaved. But they came together in bigger community because they listened. They felt all the same feelings, beliefs and value, and they became one. And that's exactly what I'm telling us to do today. All the great things we have common. We had poverty to divide us, the most harrowing terror campaign in history. But we have the thinkers, the poets, the sculptors, the artists, the wonders of the New Zealand mind. You would think that we would be in heaven if we just united. Wars have divided us. A crime! We fought for nothing. We have lost our tempers. If I could show you for a day an Englishman and a Maori and gave them the same language just for a moment, that would mix in this hall today. Because they think alike. They feel alike. And that, my friend, is what I'm asking you to do. This is the dream I've been having for years. I've gone all over the world, and it seems like my vision cannot match to this world. I'm asking you to forget that you fought him yesterday, and you forgot, and that you fought her the day before that. We had wars to divide us twice. To survive and strive, we must fight with unequal fanaticism against us. I will not surrender my claim to brotherhood. In this hour, I stretch out my hand to you, my patriots. The best, the brave, the young, the bold. Go forth with hunger, with greatness in your belly. You see, you do not fear. You do not fear in the midst of the impossible, not with 10 years of history behind you, but with only a second to decide of your course of action. You alone have earned it. The mighty phantoms, the voices of the dead battalions, echo through history, saying onwards. The great character of New Zealand has been reborn today. Nothing's gonna stop us because there's nothing that strong. Let us rouse in New Zealand the enthusiasm, the will of the old is new. Yeah!
Oh shit. Oh!
Blessed are the undefined who walk in the law of the Lord. And I've been blessed.
Faithful dream, afraid that you may not be there. Afraid to dream without you it would seem so bare. With open arms I call to you, I want you dear. Just as I reach for you, why do you disappear? Afraid to dream, I'll see you there with someone new. Afraid to find.
Ralphy, man! I'm dying! You're gonna be okay, man? I love you, Tony. I love you too, Ralphy. Get the fuck away! Run!
You remember all the men that you killed? They're all New Zealand's finest. Remember how I found you? You had no jobs, no lives? I gave you that! We all make mistakes. Not often, but we do. Hoki mai e tama ma.
Oh, I've gotta watch out, so you'll never know how much I love you. And I've gotta close up all the hubba like a clam. If you ever found out all the dreams that I am dreaming of you would think that I'm a wolf, and it's not I'm such a wolf, it's just you're such a lamb. Oh, I've gotta think twice when we're dancing so my arms won't crush you. And I've gotta be nice so the door into your heart won't slam. So I worry and I fret, for if once I should forget and rush you would think that I'm a wolf, and it's not I'm such a wolf, it's just you're such a lamb. You are the greatest problem I ever had. Baby, I love you so good, love you. You would think that I'm a wolf, and it's not I'm such a wolf, it's just you're such a lamb. Oh, I've gotta think twice when we're dancing so my arms won't crush you. And I've gotta be nice so the door into your heart won't slam. So I worry and I fret, for if once I should forget and rush you would think that I'm a wolf, and it's not I'm such a wolf, it's just you're such a lamb. You are the greatest problem I ever had. Baby, I love you so good, I love you like I'm bad. But tonight I can't bluff, gotta tell the stuff I'm dreaming of you. Take you straight to your door like before, but when it's time to scram, and growl, and my hungry heart will howl, I love you. And if that makes me a wolf, well then let me be a wolf, 'cause you made me what I am.